Good morning students, hope you are fine at home. Now today we will be starting the next chapter of Civics, that is lesson number 15, Government. Let's see the introduction. What is meant by the word government? Now India, our country, is the largest democracy in the whole world. India is the largest democracy in the whole world. As you know, our home is managed by the elders of our home. It may be grandparents or our parents or our cousins, uncle, aunts. In the same way, a country is managed by the government. Now, what do you mean by the word government? Government means, we can break into two parts. Governing the country or ruling the country. That is, govern means to rule or look after, manage the country. Just as our elders manage our homes, take important decisions which are good for us, in the same way, all the decisions regarding the country is taken by a government of that particular country. So for India, our Indian government is concerned in taking important decisions. Now you see this word continuously in the media. Media means TV, newspapers, magazines and all. In all these media, you can see the word government again and again. So always a government works for the development of a country. So for the development of India, the government of India has the main aim of taking decisions in the favor of the people. Now you can see the pictures of various political leaders, important matters are discussed. All these things you can see in the media, that is the TV, newspapers and all. Students will be watching TV, reading the newspapers, in which you can see all the functions, decisions of the government. We have to be always knowledgeable about such things. We have to be well informed about how a government of a country is functioning. Now what do you mean by the word democracy? As we saw earlier, India is the largest democracy in the world. So what is democracy? Democracy means of the people, by the people, for the people. Now students, here the word of the people means people are the ones who elect their government by voting. By the people, they are the ones who are responsible for the election. And for the people means the government is working in favor of the people. So, of, by, for, of the people, by the people and for the people. That is a simple meaning of democracy. And the government. Now students, here in this chapter, we will be using the short form government like this, GOVT. Government holds the foremost place, that is the topmost place in any democracy. Government is at the center point of any democracy. Now as we saw that our country has a democratic system of government. So now we will see the topic, our country, our government. As I told you, this is the short form of government. We are diverse. As most students already in the previous chapter we saw, unity in diversity. That our country is diverse, having different cultures, traditions, customs, food, then dressing habits, everything is diverse. We are unique. So we can say that we are large in number. So that is why we already saw that we are the largest democracy. So we have the maximum number of voters in India. Why? Because election is carried out in which voting system is there. That is, in democracy, people have to vote. And people, those who vote, are to be above the age of 18. Only they have the right to vote. So in a democracy, the government is elected through voting system. That is, people cast their votes for the favorable person and the party which wins the election forms the government. So the maximum number of voters are seen in India. Why? Because it is the largest democracy. Now we will see about the management of our country. What is management? Management is managing the affairs of the country, all the matters of the country. Now it is very difficult to manage our country India from one particular place. Why? Because India is a very large country. So the whole country has to be managed properly and systematically. So we have different levels of government, that is different stages of government. There are three main stages of government. First is local self-government, second is state government, third is central government. You can call this as union government also. Union government or central government is one and the same thing. Local self-government manages or administers only villages or cities. State government looks after the entire state and central government looks after the entire nation or the whole country. Now for example, we are living in Gandhinagar or Adipur or Anja, so the whole area, the village or the city is managed by a local municipality. Gujarat state. The Gujarat state is managed by the Gujarat state government. That is the entire state. And the whole country of India is managed by the central of the union government. So this is the main, the biggest one is the smallest level of government. This is the central part of all these governments. Why is government necessary? Why? To form the rules and rule formation and to maintain law and order in our country. So students, I hope you understood the three levels or the three stages of government. First is local self-government, state government and central government. Now we will see the types of government. Which are the different types of government prevalent in the world? First is democracy. There are three main types: democratic government, communist government and monarchy government. Democratic government follows the policy of democracy. For example, India, that is people vote through election. Communist has a different ideology and monarchy means rule of king or queen. So now we will see the features of all the three separately as a different feature. First we will see about the democratic way of government.